Hey YouTube, this is Kerry, scrapping for a dart. Well, I got a massive load this Friday, actually last Friday. The videos that you see from me are not always necessarily in the correct order. I've got some that I shot last fall. I've even got a few from last spring that I found that I forgot to upload. This is still winter. So again, when you're watching this, it'll probably be in June sometime because I got so many videos. But anyway, I want to show the latest haul. Back there's kind of the more boring stuff. I get a lot of printers in. It's hard to see, but there's a lot of flat screen monitors in there. The flat screen monitors I donate now. There's nothing in them that I take out, especially with the environmental regulations getting stricter. And one of the schools I get this stuff at asked me for a list of where I take this stuff, so that way if their name is on a product and it ends up somewhere like outside in a landfill somewhere, they're not held responsible. Does that make sense? So it's very important that if you have a contract with a school or something, you don't want their name on something that you get from them. You don't want somebody from an environmental protections agency finding that item laying out in the woods somewhere, because you'll both get in big trouble. So anyway, that's my lecture. So anyway, there's the boring stuff, printers and monitors. There's a huge box full of keyboards there. A lot of this stuff, people ask why I don't resell it. Most of the stuff I get is damaged. These have no keyboards, or no keys, half of them. Some of them are missing wiring. Most of them are just damaged, worn out. I got a massive lot of wiring here. There's a couple speakers mixed in there. Lots of computer mice, wiring, a lot of phone cords, or phone wiring. That's worth a lot more than this regular computer cord, so separate that and sell it separately. Over here, same thing, tons of phone wiring, lots of computer cords, another big batch of computer cords. I'm estimating probably 150 pounds of wiring again. I get a lot of this kind of stuff. Not sure how my lighting's going to work here, but let's see, this box here is kind of some miscellaneous. I got some more stuff from those Cisco phones. These are like sealed and packaged wiring pieces. I'm gonna look these up because it has the manufacturing numbers on them, and if they sell online, I'll sell them that way. If not, I'll just scrap them. There's just some miscellaneous, I think there's some modems in there, some miscellaneous just metal. Some of this stuff was laying in their garbage can, and I asked if I could just have it, and they said sure. So don't be afraid to ask to go through people's garbage. I'm not, I don't care, because it's all free money. This is another AMX. I get a lot of that kind of stuff. Over here, see if I can get my light going. I'm trying to beat my wife home here before she pulls in the garage here. There's another projector. I get a lot of these. Sometimes the cases are cast, so it's pretty cool when you get those like that. Stack of laptops. Most of these are Apple, but they're all shot. They're just pieces and parts mainly. It's a battery cover that's stainless. Pretty cool. I got a huge lot of hard drives. These are all punched, which means they're pretty much destroyed. They got holes in them, but that's what the schools do. They don't want their information getting out. So I take the boards off and I sell those separately. And we'll go over here in this Cisco box. These are all headsets from phones. It's huge, it's probably 50 pounds. It's a big box. I've added, let's see, there's 3 more towers there since the last time you saw. And a couple of these towers were on another video, but I just got these 5 apples. I get chewed out lots of times. Guys say, don't scrap those, they're worth a lot of money. Well, I haven't yet found one guy that's going to pay me $50 or $60 for me to ship this to him. That's just for this. These are, 30 pounds a piece. So if you want all 6 of them, you're going to have to pay $200 in shipping. So if anybody wants these, that's fine, but you're going to have to pay $200 in shipping or more. So let me know if you want them. And I guess basically that's about it. So I'm still getting this kind of stuff. This is a good example of why it's important to get contracts. This is kind of stuff you can get year around, especially in wintertime when it's real snowy out and you can't go out and get stuff laying in people's yards because it's all covered in snow. You can still get stuff like this from businesses. It's all nice and dry, and there's good money in electronics scrap. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great winter. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.